Hi, this is Jackie from ESLActivity.org. Today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite, very simple ESL activities for kids called I'm an Alien. So this is ideal if you are talking or teaching about something that you think students already know a good bit of information about. So for example, like Christmas, you're doing a Christmas themed lesson, then I would pretend that I'm an alien and then I would say, Christmas, what's Christmas? And then students would start shouting out, there's Santa, and then there's reindeer, and you get presents. And then I would say, who's Santa? What's Santa? What's a reindeer? Why do you get presents? What do you get? Where are the presents? And I would just ask so many questions. So basically, you're pretending that you've never been to Earth and you don't know any information about the basic topic. Why would you do this? It's because it helps students activate this prior knowledge that they have. So anything that you teach students subsequently is more memorable. All right, so that is my very, very simple warm-up activity for kids. If you want some more ideas, be sure to check out my book, 101 ESL Activities for Kids. Also be sure to hit like, subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody.